Good morning, students. Welcome to Sentence School online classes. Class 3 Mathematics Chapter 1 Numbers Revision. Today we are going to cover following topics under this chapter. The topic are place value and face value, expanded form, number name, numeral, ascending order and descending order, and after and before number. Now let's learn the first topic. The first topic is place value and face value. In order to write 4-digit number, we need 4 places. Each place has a different value. Whenever we put a place value, we start from right hand side, like ones, tens, hundred, thousand. But when we read or write, we start from left hand side, like thousand, hundred, tens, ones. Now understand the place value. Place value: every digit in a number has a value according to its place. Example, I have taken 8, 5, 4, 6. Now put the place value: ones, tens, hundred, thousand. But how we will read? We will read 8,546. Now we understand the place value of 6. 6 is in the place of ones. 6 is in the place of ones. So 6 will be multiplied by 1, and the place value of 6 is 6. Then 4 is in the place of tens. 4 is in the place of tens. So 4 will be multiplied by 10, and the place value of 4 is 40. Now 5 is in the place of 100. 5 is in the place of 100. So 5 will be multiplied by 100, and the place value of 5 is 500. And the 8 is in the place of 1000. 8 is in the place of 1000. So 8 will be multiplied by 1000, and the place value of 8 is 8000. Now what is face value? Face value: the face value of any digit in a number is the digit itself. Example, 8, 5, 4, 6. The face value of 8 is itself 8. The face value of 5 is itself 5. The face value of 4 is itself 4. And the face value of 6 is itself 6. Okay. Now the next topic is expanded form. What is expanded form? Expanded form is a addition of all the place value of a number. Expanded form represents the number, the sum of place value of each digit. For explaining expanded form, you came to place value table. Example, I have taken 8, 5, 4, 6. 8 is in the place of 1000. 5 is in the place of 100. 4 is in the place of tens, and 6 is in the place of ones. So 8 is in the place of 1000. So 8 will be multiplied by 100 plus 5. 5 is in the place of 100. So 5 will be multiplied by 100 plus 4. 4 is in the place of tens. So 4 will be multiplied by 10 plus 6 is in the place of ones. So 6 will be multiplied by 1. And the expanded form is 8000 plus 500 plus 40 plus 6. Now the next topic is number name. While writing number name, what we have to do? We have to write this number in words. We have to write this number in words like 8, 5, 4, 6. How we will write? We will write 8546. And the another example is 6, 3, 5, 7. We will write 6357. Then the next topic is numeral. How we will write numeral? Numeral, this word, this number name we will write in number. Like 8546. We will write 8, 5, 4, 6. 8546. Another example is 269. We will write 269. What is this? 269. Then the next topic is ascending order and descending order. In ascending order, we will write smaller to bigger, like 1, 2, 3, 4. And in descending order, we write bigger to smaller, 4, 3, 2, 1. Example, I have taken 61, 179, 286, 16 and 106. In ascending order, we have to find smaller to bigger. Let's find which is the smallest one. Smallest one is 16. Then, so we write first 16. After that it will be 61. So we write 61. Then 106. Then 179. Then 286. In descending order, we write bigger to smaller. Let's find which is the biggest one. The biggest one is 286. So first we write 286. After that 179. So we write 179. After that 106. So we write 106. After that 61. So we write 61. And then 16. So okay. Now the next topic is after and before. After. In after only one will be added. Like for example 6, 4, 2, 1 plus 1. We add only 1. So equal to 6, 4, 2, 2. In before only 1 will be subtracted. Example 6, 4, 2, 1. Subtracted 1. Then what will come? Will 6, 4, 2, 0. Okay. Now the whole chapter we will study. I hope from this explanation you can do chapter 1 easily. So the homework is chapter 1 page number 5 to 8. Question number 1 to 15. Okay. Thank you.